Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by prepping the device and the PC. This is essential because bypassing OEM lock requires unlocked bootloader permission. First, enable developer options and turn on OEM unlock and USB debugging. These toggles permit the bootloader change. Next, connect the phone to a trusted PC with Samsung drivers installed. Once recognized, install ADB and fastboot tools. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions, and back up important data now, because the process will, once ready, reboot into download mode using the Samsung key combo. This mode accepts low-level commands. From your PC, launch Odin or Heimdall. Odin is common for Samsung, and load the appropriate unlock file or command. Then issue the unlock via the tool. You may need to flash a minimal unlock binary. Watch the phone screen. A confirmation prompt often appears asking you to allow OEM unlocking. Accept it. After flashing completes, the bootloader will initiate an unlock sequence and wipe user data. Now reboot the phone and go through setup. Once booted, verify the bootloader state using fastboot or the phone's info menu to confirm OEM is unlocked. Restore your backups and re-enable security measures like PIN or biometrics because unlocking removed factory protections. If the device won't boot, is stuck in download mode, or shows errors, reflash the stock firmware via Odin, check USB cable and drivers, and ensure you use the correct unlock binary version. If issues persist, repeat steps carefully or consult specialized forums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.